Visiting here. Hello, hi, I'm Jane. I'm from Lightstrade GILE, and we are having this foreigner cross tour. Yeah. Sorry for the. It's Jane. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. What's your name, please?
Jack.
Jack.
Yes.
Jack. Okay. You can help. Thank you, Jack. Would you like to? Sorry for the sorry for the interruption because we suffer from difficulties and be here late for 15 minutes. Sorry for that.
Nothing.
Thank you, Jack. Would you like to give us an introduction of your company and products, like in 10 minutes, a brief introduction?
Yes, sure.
Thank you. Here we go.
We have our factories in the Shunde district of Foshan city.
Foshan city. Yes.
And we make a lot of the downline housings.
Downline housing.
Too many years.
Too many. Yeah.
Yes, and we also cooperate with some big lighting companies like Optoelectronics and Landvans.
I heard that. Okay. The products are serious.
Okay. Yeah. The hop product is there, and they have the 6th side, including the 2.5, 3.5, 4, 5, 6, and 8 side.
Okay.
5, 6, and 8 side. So it is they are a complete lighting accessories. And this one is the second product. The hollow side of they are the 19, and the outer ring diameter is about 150.
Okay.
150. And another product we make, of course, we plan to make some new products like this American downlights.
Okay. American one.
Downlights.
Yeah. The
American downlights houses.
New series. Yeah.
Yes, and we'll come to the market. Next month, we will come to the market next month.
So it's a new release.
Yes.
Great.
We'll come to the market next month, and we will have some new things to share with my companies, customers.
Better switch.
Here, and our products, like the houses, are made from this plastic materials. Including the Flamer P8, PP, PBT,
PBT material,
and some PC the ABS materials. We make them by ourselves in our factories, and we can control the quality and is the factor.
Okay, so your factory can make this such a material,
yes,
and you can control the capacity, the production. That's great. You don't have to depending on the suppliers. That's great.
And by the way, your English is great.
Your English is very good, actually. Professional. Just a trend. Thank you. Thank you so much.
That's all. Is there any question you can ask me?
Yeah, sure.
Anytime.
Yeah, sure. And I think, do you have any website of your company or name card that you can show to our audience? 名片 name card.
Of course. There is my business card.
Yeah, sure.
My business card.
Yeah. Okay, it's Jack.
Plastic company. Jack.
Jack. Okay.
And my WeChat is the Apple 68 186657779010.
If they cannot reach you, they can reach us, and we will forward it to you. Don't worry. I think it is new enough. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you, Jack.
Thank you.
Thank you for your cooperation, and see you next time.
See you next time.
Thank you.
See you tomorrow.
See you. Bye.